What is going on, guys? Hess here, and I wanted to let you guys know that I have over 100 pairs of sneakers for sale for my personal collection. Right now, check the link in the description. Take you to my site and you guys can shop around. Prices are pretty reasonable for most of the stuff. Basically, I'm just trying to get rid of a lot of these extra sneakers that I have. I sold a ton of sneakers on StockX recently. I actually did a video on this really recently to let you guys know how I sold the sneakers on StockX because it's so incredibly easy. But anything that is used, I can't sell on StockX, so I'm using this as an opportunity to sell it on my own site. And, you know, I'm not really trying to make a lot of money off this stuff. I just want to get it really out of the house. Because if you guys did not know, I'm expecting baby number 2 in September. Little Maddie May, Madeline May is going to be her name. And super excited, can't wait for her. But we need to transition Harrison's room down to where the sneaker room is, which means I need to get those sneakers out of the house. So you guys are doing me a service by buying any of these sneakers. Also, as a little bonus for you guys, for those that actually do buy a pair of the sneakers, I'll be randomly selecting some winners. 2 of them will get a pair of my Heskicks Saucony collaborations. I have a size 8.5 and a 9 that I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to be giving away the Saucony Letterman jacket because I got one of those in a size large, which is too small for me. I'll also be giving away some random $100 gift cards to Adidas and Nike, and as well as $50 gift cards to Adidas and Nike. I'll also be giving away some Supreme and Collectivekicks stickers. But those winners will be randomly selected from those that make purchases. I believe I've enabled international shipping, but the price on that is a little bit more expensive to ship, obviously, because it's like international. Just so you guys know, I tried to do the best I could to describe the items. DS for dead stock, VNDS for very near dead stock, or just worn, and in some cases they've been worn maybe 1, max 2 weeks. So most of the stuff is pretty new and you can probably clean them up if there's a little bit of dirt left on the shoes. A lot of the items are actually $50 shipped, and considering shipping costs probably 20 bucks for the most part, I'm not really making anything off of the shoes, so hopefully you guys can find some decent deals. I've never really sold a mass amount of sneakers like this by myself before, so please be patient with me. I'm going to try to get all of these items shipped out by the end of this weekend, so keep that in mind. And if this sale goes really well, then I'm going to go ahead and update that site on a regular basis, so bookmark it. I have some Kith hoodies that I want to get rid of for dirt cheap. I have some tech fleece that I just don't need, tons and tons of jackets and outerwear, tons of jeans, and just randomness that I just don't need anymore. And instead of giving it to Goodwill, I figured maybe some of you guys would actually like some of these items. And a final note, anybody that wants to see the other new items that I have available on StockX right now, I will put a link in the description for you guys to go check out my portfolio. And I have a bunch of different things for sale on StockX that you guys probably didn't even know I had. A lot of Supreme stuff. I don't show you all my pickups. And if you guys are interested in any of those things, just put some bids in and I'll actually just accept some of the highest offers. Like, I'm not really expecting to get what the actual ask price is right now for a lot of those things that I have out there. I just want to go ahead and sell them. So, but if you guys do have some bids, just put them in and then I'll accept some of them later in the weekend. Again, hopefully you guys can find some gems in the sale and hopefully it goes well. If it does, I have some more things I need to fire sale and get out of the house. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. More regularly scheduled videos to come, and have a good rest of the day. Peace, guys.